In every car hunt so far, I was the one that got chased. I got chased by cars and other stuff. But the general idea was always that I run from something. But what would happen if we changed the roles? Meet Toto, the truck I will use today to chase down 6 drivers. And yes, this is the actual siren you can hear in the game. Here is how the reverse car hunt works. To capture a driver, I just need to touch him. The 6 drivers get a 2-minute head start to hide on the map. I will have 30 minutes to hunt all of them down. All of this is supervised by a game master that overlooks the action and has the ability to randomly give the drivers a mission during the chase. You will see later in the video. Let's do it.
Go, go, go.
Let's go.
We agree. Half of us go left, half of us go right.
All right.
Yes. We got this shit. Ah, dude, this thing is so shit. Fuck.
You're just bad, bro.
Okay. So the technique worked of going together and getting rid of him. So let's go. Let's go left. Let's go left. Navigation 100. Should we go in the tunnel? We should go through the tunnel. I'm going in the tunnel.
Oh, okay.
Did he start?
Not yet, not yet.
All right, let's go.
While the drivers are hiding, I checked my notes to make sure that I remember my secret plan.
Yeah, dude.
We go left.
25 seconds.
We go left now.
I think my spot's gonna be one of the few spots he doesn't expect.
Nice voice crack.
You're experienced with it, aren't you?
Yes.
So when you gotta do it.
10 seconds.
This is a good spot because you can like look down. You can look down.
Mighty has been released.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
The Mighty has been released.
Beware, he is now
brother.
on you guys' ass.
Hell yeah.
He's-
Holy shit, I almost got stuck.
And by the time I started, they were still messing around on the construction site in the city.
Oh, wall ride.
Are you
Holy
guys out
shit.
yet? I see
go,
the out.
brothers.
That anyways.
Right, I am now hidden in the
Yeah,
source.
brother.
I see the outside. No, I don't. Yes, I do. Guys, what if we just hide in the construction site, like down below?
We going.
No, because we have to have a spot where we can go away on all sides.
Oh, I think I saw Mighty.
Where?
Saw him. He went past the
Where?
fucking gas station at the Turbo Burger.
Okay.
As long as he's in the
Oh shit.
What
I hear
way?
him.
What way?
city, I can romp him.
Where is
No,
he?
he doesn't. He just drove
We
past
right
the
here.
garage.
What the fuck? Run, dude!
He's on me.
Oh shit, where are you?
City. I'm coming towards the
Let's
freeway.
go! Oh, I'm going to there too. Oh shit, I can see you guys.
Yeah,
Should I go after him?
sure.
Okay,
don't
yeah,
mind.
let's go, let's go,
I'm
let's go.
getting under
Where is
skill.
he?
Oh, he's gonna get you. He's gonna get you. Use the fucking nitrous.
I am.
He's at the fucking village. He's at the village. Yeah, the fucking suburban area.
Alright, off-roading.
On the other side
Yeah,
of the
he's
highway.
there. Oh shit.
I'm so dead.
I'm gonna wait in my spot.
You
for
got
a
this,
little
dude.
No, I don't. Oh, the steering.
You
Steering.
got this.
No, I'm gonna be the
Steering.
first one.
Shit.
Oh
No.
my god.
My brother. No.
Nope, I'm dead. I'm
You're dead?
so dead.
I'm fucking leaving that
Rotundo
bitch.
is out of the game.
Fuck.
Man.
No. My brother died. I will do this for you. I will do this for you. Where is he? Does anyone have a fucking visual?
I forgot to mention that I am allowed to reset my cars 5 times, because I need to physically touch 6 cars to capture them. This means I need to carefully choose the moment I repair my car.
Just watch around, look around very clearly, okay? I don't want to die. I'm going to the gas station.
Yeah, I can see 2 people. Are you the guy in front or behind?
Yeah, I'm in the front. I'm in the front.
Okay.
Also, since an hour earlier I forgot to press the recording button, I wanted to make sure I was recording this time.
Oh, he's above me. He stopped.
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
He's a gas station by the port. You know how you can drive
yep.
in the sewers.
Is any
Oh, is that him? Oh no, that's fucking PLP.
Oh yeah, it's
Obviously, since I was stepped out of the game, I did not hear the guy below me driving away. But then, the game master decided to spice things up a little bit.
I'm gonna force everyone to the racetrack. When they're all there at the same time, they can leave again.
Thank you.
Attention drivers, everyone has to go to the racetrack. Once everyone is at the racetrack, y'all can leave again.
Okay. We're gonna go to the
shoot.
racetrack.
When everyone is there, you can just go there. Once everyone is there, you can leave. So it's in your best interest to go there as fast as possible.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
see Mighty.
Is he near us?
He's at the
No,
pits.
I don't
Pits,
think
he's
so.
in a
He's at the
pits.
pits
Oh
entrance.
shit, I see him.
And
Can we go now? Can we go? Is everyone here?
Nope.
Oh,
Is
no,
everyone
no.
here?
Then you go.
I'm almost
steal
there.
back.
I'm almost there.
the racetrack, we're only at the
I'm
fucking-
Ranger.
Oh no.
Get to the
no grab.
racetrack.
Just
Get to the
working
fucking
on it.
racetrack. I'm good.
Just go.
Oh shit.
Oh
Shit,
I'm
he's on
trying.
me.
I said it.
no grab onto the road and then reset there and go to the racetrack. Just no grab yourself.
Go fucking get it.
Do the gutter technique.
Let's go. I'm going. Nitrous.
No.
I don't
I'm
know
at
if that's the best idea.
I'm at the parking lot.
Right, I'm here.
Oh, Jesus. Yes.
Okay, I got this. There's someone in front of me. Who is that?
Horrendous.
Oh shit. I'm spun
Oh,
out.
no.
I'm spun out. I got this.
Got the oversteer. Okay, he's
Oh,
not
he's going for the other guy. He's going for the other guy. Oh, he's spun
Okay,
around.
never mind.
Why did he do
Ranger.
that?
Yeah, go.
Right, I'm at the
Okay,
dragon.
chicken.
We're having a fucking look down. Oh, he's going
Yes.
backwards. He's going
Go,
backwards.
go.
Shit.
Where is he going?
Okay, he swung himself around.
He's at this drag strip.
He swung himself around. You gotta go.
Start on the end of it.
Drag racing.
He's at the start.
Drag race. Some.
Okay, nitrous.
Go, go, go.
Yeah.
Try and transition onto the track. Like, yeah, through there. Okay.
I got this. Oh
He's
shit.
still on the drag strip.
Shit.
Okay, you got it.
Yes.
You got it.
Can we get off? Can we get off?
Oh, no,
Okay.
someone's-
Not yet.
Someone's pulled
Oh
behind you. I
fuck!
think.
Who the fuck is taking so long? Jesus.
One last person, but they're about to be there. How about you stay on the road? That's a little bit safer.
No.
Right.
Race.
I'm good. I'm good.
Oh. Oh dear.
Who's there?
Friends. No.
Who's there? He missed me. He missed me. I got this.
Where are you guys?
We're on the. Shit, dude.
Attention,
I got
drivers.
this.
Right way around?
On the track, going to the start. Oh shit! Yes.
Oh,
You
no,
didn't touch
no,
me.
No,
No,
he
you
got
didn't
you.
touch me on my screen. You didn't
Oh,
touch
he
me
didn't
on my
touch you.
screen.
Didn't touch you.
Oh shit! Yeah, now we did.
No, he
Fuck.
Just friends is out of the game, and with that, the play
Go that
area
way.
is full
Go
again.
that way. Turn around.
Oh my
All
god.
drivers may now leave the racetrack.
Dude!
I've been trying to tell y'all, but you kept talking over me.
I'm sorry.
Who the fuck took so long?
That was my
Who
fault.
was
my
that?
bad.
Fuck, man. Oh, could have fucking been alive right now. Shit.
Friends, I did take the heat away from you for like 2 seconds, but you crashed into a wall.
Does anybody have a location on them?
Can someone
Can't
please
fucking-
code?
Yeah, there you go. You're getting chased. Is that you getting chased?
Who wants to co-drive?
Steel Menace is getting chased. Oh shit. They're fucking doing an off-road course. They're doing an off-road course. Yeah.
Just co-drive whoever has Mighty on.
Yeah, I'm doing that right now.
How close is he?
He's getting further away. Just fucking keep driving, dude.
He's going over the bumps, same as you.
Yeah, go to the left. Get off.
Oh,
Dude,
oh my god.
you're not gonna just fucking go circles the entire time. Try and get off.
Okay, you're
Yeah.
kind of losing him.
Try and get off. Shit.
Oh no!
Oh my fucking god.
Oh no.
He can't get over. He can't go.
Oh,
he can't go
get
there. Go to
over.
the. Go left. Go left.
Yes,
Someone tell me where he is.
yes.
He's at the
Go,
fucking
go.
dirt course. Like with the jumps and shit.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now
You're
you
not gonna
just
get
go
out of
back
here.
to the gas station.
Watch
You're
out.
fucking stuck. Oh no, wait. There's a fucking. Go back. Go behind you. Behind you. There. Straight. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the fucking track. Now go right. Straight there. There's a fucking hole there.
Yeah, I see.
Oh,
Just-
yes.
Where is he? Where is he?
He's going
Oh,
off.
You got this. Oh no, you gotta get out of here. Go right. Oh, he's chasing someone else. Who the fuck is he chasing? Oh fuck. You're getting far away from him. He's not fucking catching up. Oh shit. He fucked
Oh
up.
no.
Oh shit. He's not getting
So,
close. He's not getting
real quick,
closer.
I have
He is getting
shit.
closer. Yeah, you're fucked.
Where is he at right now?
Oh no. Wait, he's
Yeah,
getting chased?
shit,
right now?
man.
Oh
He's
no.
chasing Daniel at the fucking racetrack.
Come on. Oh shit.
At the racetrack. In the racetrack. Yeah, he's got tagged.
Benjo is out.
Fuck, man. Stop driving, dude.
That's a really nice.
Stop driving. Oh, he's chasing the guy that's fucking disabled. Holy shit. Why is he fucking chasing the crippled? Don't do that, dude. That's fucking sad.
That's what he does.
That's sad. Oh, you got
You
it.
were in my rear
Oh,
tire
half the
pressure.
players are gone.
Wow.
Ah, damn.
Mighty cancelled.
Mighty cancelled. Fucking Ranston. Fucking Make-A-Wish kid. Fuck.
I barely left the racetrack and the game master had another idea.
Attention all drivers, everyone must go to a tunnel in 1 minute.
Alright, let's go.
Do you have to be in the tunnel?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Where is Mighty?
I don't know. Alright,
Oh, shit.
Yelpy made it to the tunnel.
35 seconds
Someone
remaining.
else. Alright, everyone made it. Everyone made it.
Everyone made it? Attention all drivers,
Nice.
everyone is free to go.
Let's go.
Does anyone know where Mighty is?
No.
Oh, I know.
Oh, you will rat.
I can hear him on PLP side.
Yeah, PLP. He's close. Just kept. Oh, I think he was going up on the highway up there.
Well, we could hear him, so he's near the city.
Yeah, I think he's on the highway. Oh no, we came out of the tunnel behind you, PLP. Go, go, go.
Are you fucking
Oh
real?
shit, he's behind
Oh
you.
my god, PLP. I'm
If
passing
PLP
your
is at the
gate,
coastal
right,
road.
coastal road.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
shit.
Ah, he's getting really
Oh,
close.
Oh no.
How the fuck is he so fast in corners? Jesus.
FANATEC.
Mighty or PLP?
Let's go, dude. Oh, he's gone. PLP's gone. Holy shit. Yeah, they're on coastal road right now. They're nearly at the gas station outside of the
Nearly.
city. Damn, you're fucking pulling. Motherfucking damn.
It seems like the better drivers survive longer, so this means it will only get harder for me. So I decide to change my tactic of simply trying to catch them and instead follow them until they make a mistake.
Oh, this is fucking close, dude. Oh no, he took the off-ramp with.
How close is
He's pretty close.
Yeah.
He's not that close, but he's pretty close.
When you
Within
passed
mirror
distance. Oh,
these,
shit.
you had about a...
Salt tap. Yes. Oh, he's close again. He's fucking close.
Oh,
use
no.
nitrous. Use nitrous right now. Right now. Right now. Use nitrous. Yeah, you're gone. Fuck yeah. Holy shit, that was close. Go, bro. He's fucking closing in on you in the corner. Oh, he's spun. Oh, he almost crashed. He almost crashed. We're at the tolls right now. They're at the tolls right now. Going to the highway to go, yeah, near the
Yeah.
city. You're fucking
Going-
pulling, dude.
Going near the like the.
Going to the,
One eye.
going to the
Yeah.
everywhere.
Drivers,
That's the one.
everyone who is currently stationary must start
Oh,
driving. Wow.
Oh shit.
Jesus
hit me?
Christ! No, he
Yeah.
didn't. No, he
No,
didn't. There's no
did.
damage.
Take this
There's
out.
0 damage.
Well, on my screen he did.
Go, 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 go.
Pulling me
Oh, he's
down.
chasing the other guy. He's
Oh.
chasing the other guy. Yeah, yeah, you're getting chased.
And then, because of a stupid mistake, I lose another reset.
Keep going, dude.
Is there a
fucking
certain amount
going.
of time we have?
Nah, he's not with you, PLP. He's chasing the other
Just go
guy.
drive
Yeah, what did he hit me on?
Ranger.
Oh, he crashed.
Oh,
He crashed behind you. You're fucking good. Let's go.
Unless I fucking
Nah, he's fucking. He was like backwards. Even if he respawns, it's gonna take a second. Yeah, you're good. Go turn as soon as possible so he doesn't know that you're there.
Since Workin is a guy that loves to drift, I simply followed his tire marks. Also, consider subscribing or even liking this video. It helps a lot. And a few minutes later, I spotted Workin again.
Yeah, yeah. I don't think he's here. Yeah, he's chasing you. He's chasing you. He's right on you.
I thought I was.
What's that location?
It's in the forest. He's going to the gas station right now.
Oh no.
He's really far away. Probably saw you.
He's following me.
No, he's used the fucking
Oh,
better
no.
off ramp. Use your fucking nitrous, dude. On the highway. Yeah, yeah. Holy shit, he's closer to you.
Oh shit.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
Jesus Christ!
Do not spin out.
Jesus Christ!
I'm spinning
go on
out.
Go on the fucking track. Oh no, he's.
Oh shit.
Yeah, he's fucking close.
Oh,
Go on
no.
the track.
I don't know this road.
Are you
Yeah,
missing?
yeah. You have to go right here.
Oh, he's like.
Don't go too
I'm
fast. Is he missing a wheel?
I am.
No, nobody's missing a wheel.
Rally co-driver, dude. This is fucking intense.
Yes, you got this.
How are you doing, PLP?
Left, right turn 5.
Right,
brakes.
5, 3. I don't know. Left 4.
Fuck.
Right turn 5, don't cut. Oh shit.
I'm going.
He's catching up.
I
He's
am out of
catching up.
NOS.
Yeah.
Try to go left here. Try to go left. Yeah, he's pretty far. He's far. Yeah,
Oh, he's closing
you can do
very
it.
fast. Yeah.
Oh, he fucking
overshot it.
He didn't break.
Yeah.
He didn't break in
He
time.
overshot it.
Oh shit.
Oh, this thing does not corner. What the fuck?
Oh,
Try to get to the gas station or something.
He's
I don't
falling
know if the
behind.
steering is fucked. You're gaining. You're gaining. You're gaining.
yeah, he's
yeah.
pretty far away.
Rednecks,
Just go straight. Yeah. Oh, there's someone else here.
Oh no.
Go, dude. Go overtake him and then go fucking. No, don't.
I was gonna go
don't break.
fucking right, but he's in my way.
Let me see. Let me see. He's right behind you. He's right behind you.
Should I?
Wait,
no.
where did he go? Oh, he's chasing you now. He's chasing you.
No,
yeah,
he's
you're
probably
fucked.
chasing someone else now, or is he still on the highway?
He's chasing the
Is he
guy
on the
with
highway?
lost wheel.
I don't have a lost wheel,
Oh
but
no.
Oh, it does on my screen. What the fuck?
Oh, he's so close.
You should gear. Shift.
Ah,
Ah, you got him. You got him.
And
What's
Ranger
wrong with-
is
what-
out.
on my
What happened
screen,
to your
like,
gear?
he didn't even touch me.
I need to.
Yeah, but that- what
is
is it?
Fucking nerve-wracking here.
With only 10 minutes remaining, the only 2 drivers alive are those that managed to already outrun me.
POP, you got this.
Yeah. Any idea where?
You can look through the window. Let me. I hear a car.
Where is he right now?
I hear a car.
Oh.
Are you? That's starting off a bit. What the fuck? Did you roll?
Yes!
Fuck you all.
Wait, I don't think the
My
siren is
fucking
working.
angle is perfect.
Yeah, the siren is not on.
Your siren is off.
Oops.
Oh god.
Oh, the siren is on. Fuck.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Challenge. Piss. Let's go.
Yeah, that is
I don't
my
know what.
challenge right
It's not chasing you anymore. He lost you.
He's must have. It's like
now. Okay, I'm gonna take a piss real
Lost
quick.
him. Oh, it's close.
oh no. Oh
Run,
no.
Oh my god.
Holy
that's
shit.
Oh no.
Oh shit.
no.
You fucked.
Oh no.
Shit.
You fucked up.
Steering's gone.
Yeah, you got this. Keep going.
Brian. What?
Yeah. Ah, he's.
He's got you.
Ah, he did crash. Okay.
POP
Last
is
person
out of the
alive. Last person alive.
For the final showdown, the Game Master limited the area to the city and gave us a 5-minute timer.
One person remaining. You must now go to the city, and the 5 minutes start now.
This is fucking nerve-wracking.
If Workin manages to survive 5 minutes, I lose and they win.
This is actually fucking scary. Imagine if it was fucking night. Oh, dude, you're gonna get pinned here. You have to find a way where you can go four ways. I think he's on the
Oh,
left of
shit.
you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he's on
he's
the
with
left.
you.
Oh, shit.
Holy shit. Holy shit, using us. Using us.
Oh god.
No, dude. Go, go, go. Yes, and then go left. Ooh. Go left. Yes. Go cut it. Oh, no, you didn't. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Use that NOS.
Oh my god.
Don't slow down. Oh, shit.
Go on.
Holy shit, dude. He's right on you. He's right on you. Jesus Christ.
Oh,
Damn.
Lost the wheel.
Holy
almost.
shit. He's so close.
Oh
Jesus Christ.
no. Oh,
Yes, you got the NOS. Let's go, dude.
oh my god.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. Yes, you got this.
Oh,
you got
God.
this. Turn, turn, turn. Ooh.
I'm trying to-
Oh, the wheel.
These wheels are
You did it again. You did it again.
Fucking terrible, bro. Oh my god.
Oh, he did a fucking Charles Leclerc. Fuck.
Morgan is out of the game. You have lost.
These wheels are so fucking terrible.
Holy shit, dude.
While I still have your attention, I want to thank you for watching the video until the end. You are one of the 30% that managed to last so long. It would be extra spicy if you could subscribe to my second channel, which is getting very close to 100,000 subscribers. Also, if you speak Polish, consider checking out this video I took part in. It's more or less the same concept. Thank you and have a nice day.